I coach different clients in social media, and I help businesses with their startup, especially around like websites and like how to kind of put together their first marketing plan that's engaging the community, or at the very least their prospective customers. And video plays a big role in that. And it's just one of those mediums that we've always had someone else kind of doing in the other positions that I've been in. So I've done a little bit of video, but I'm like, what better place to learn than an actual creator network, out of VidWheel. What I love about the network is it's a different type of, creator in each person that's in it, right? So it's not just about video. It all has that video bent. There's a bunch of different ideas that come from different walks of life. We have, people that are straight out consultants and people that are straight out videographers, right? What I like about that is I get a lot of really neat ideas on what's working for them, and then maybe how I can kind of twist it or contort it for a client or even for my own show.